Creating animated stickman videos completely free using AI is actually easier than most people think. Many people wonder how such channels grow so quickly, and the truth is that the process is very simple when you use the right AI tools. For example, there is a channel with around 90,000 subscribers but only about 51 videos, and its first video was uploaded just 4 months ago. This means the creator gained those subscribers in a very short time and is now earning a significant income from the channel. If you analyze their videos carefully, you will notice something interesting. Most of their videos only use static images. The stickman characters are not even animated, yet the videos still get a large number of views. In this guide, however, we will go one step further and learn how to animate those images to create even more engaging videos that have a strong chance of going viral. To begin, you will need a script template, which is provided in the description. In the example, the script duration is set to 59 seconds, but you can easily change it depending on the length of the video you want to create. A single prompt can generate the entire video structure, including the script, voiceover narration, image prompts, and even animation prompts. Once you open ChatGPT, start by generating a topic for the video. If you already have a topic in mind, you can skip this step. Otherwise, ask ChatGPT to suggest motivational or psychological video topics. It will provide several ideas, and you can choose the one you like the most. For instance, a topic like "Why Comfort is Dangerous" works very well for motivational content. After selecting the topic, paste the prompt you copied earlier and replace the topic placeholder with your chosen topic. When you run the prompt, ChatGPT will generate the full video script along with scene-by-scene voiceover text, image prompts, and video animation prompts. Next comes image generation using Gemini. Open the image creation section and upload a sample stickman image so the character style remains consistent throughout the video. You can either take a screenshot from the tutorial video or download a stickman image from Google. Then copy the image prompt for the first scene, paste it into Gemini, and generate the image. Download the result and repeat the same process for all the scenes. After all images are ready, move to Grok AI to create the animated videos. Open the Imagine section, upload the image for the first scene, paste the corresponding video prompt, and generate the animation. Once the video is generated, upscale it to 1080p and download it. Repeat the same process for every scene. Once the videos are ready, the next step is to generate the voiceover using a free text-to-speech website. Paste your script into the tool, remembering that most free tools allow around 2000 characters at a time. You can generate the voiceover in multiple parts if needed. Listen to different voice options, choose the one you like best, and click Convert. Within a minute or two, the audio will be ready for download. Finally, import all the generated video clips into any video editing software. Arrange them in sequence according to the scenes. Add the voiceover based on the script generated by ChatGPT. Adjust the timing so that the visuals match the narration. You can also add background music to make the video more engaging. After everything is aligned properly, export the final video. Your AI-generated animated stickman video is now ready to publish. If you want to learn more completely free AI video creation methods like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you in the next video.